I wanna be the very best that no one ever was. To be creative is my real test, for the people is my cause. I wanna learn across YouTube, searching far and wide, to unlock and to understand the power that's inside. Roast them all, I gotta roast them all. It's you and me. I know it's our destiny. Roast them all, oh, you're my best friend. From hackers who must defend. Roast them all, gotta roast them all. This is our personal truth. A curse will pull us through. You teach me and I'll teach you. Roast them all, gotta roast them all. Gotta do the work, roast them all. Now when it comes to getting pied in the face, it is really hilarious and it can really mess up your day. However, the video on the screen right now covers that thing, so you want to click and watch. Pokemon, get roasted!